JetBlue 935, climb maintain flight level 330, maintain Mach 78.
Climb maintain flight level 330, maintain Mach decimal 78, JetBlue 935. And New York, JetBlue 935.
JetBlue 935, go ahead.
Yes, JetBlue 935 needed to clear a medical emergency like the vectors back to JFK.
JetBlue 935, roger. Cleared to Kennedy via right turn direct, descend and maintain 14,000, altimeter is 3026.
Roger, cleared via right turn direct, descend and maintain flight level 14,000 and direct to JFK. Thank you, JetBlue 935.
And JetBlue 935, when you get a chance to say the nature of the emergency.
JetBlue 935.
New York, JetBlue 935.
Say again?
Yeah, JetBlue 935, just give you the emergency information.
Yes, go ahead.
I have 153 souls on board, fuel remaining 6 hours. It's a female experiencing abdominal pain, apparently from a recent surgery and having trouble breathing. We have a EMT on board who's recommending that we return.
JetBlue 935, roger, thank you. JetBlue 935, do you happen to have the age of the female?
Not at this time. That information is forthcoming, although they're having a little trouble getting information from her and her condition. So if I get that, I'll get that over to you.
Roger. JetBlue 935, contact New York Center 128.3, good day.
28.3, thanks for your help, JetBlue 935. JetBlue 935, leveling up 7,000 feet. We're the aircraft with the medical emergency returning to JFK.
JetBlue 935, New York approach, flight heading 360, vector ILS, runway 31 right approach.
Heading 360, we're set up for 31 right approach, JetBlue 935.
And JetBlue 935, the last control didn't have a lot of info. What is the nature of the medical emergency?
Got a 25-year-old female with abdominal pain and trouble breathing.
Okay, roger, thank you. Do you already have people standing by, or do you need us to have medical assistance?
We have an EMT on board helping out. We've notified company. We also would like you to notify medical assistance to meet us at the help us out. JetBlue 935.
Roger. JetBlue 935, do you know which gate you're going to?
We're checking. Gate 19, arriving at gate 19, JetBlue 935.
Roger, thank you. You said you wanted us to let company know?
Affirmative, please.
Right.
JetBlue 935, request lower.
JetBlue 935, send a maintain 3,000.
Now 3,000, JetBlue 935. Field side when it helps, JetBlue 935.
JetBlue 935, turn left heading 340 to join the final clear visual approach runway 31 right.
Left 340 to join, we're cleared ILS approach runway 31 right, JetBlue 935.
JetBlue 935, you're cleared visual approach 31 right.
Thank you, cleared visual approach runway 31 right, JetBlue 935, field side.
And JetBlue 935, you're going to follow heavy Airbus 330, 11 o'clock, and 6 miles at 2,000 on the final.
Looking for traffic, JetBlue 935.
And JetBlue 935, reduce speed to 180.
Slowing to 180 knots, JetBlue 935.
JetBlue 935, reduce speed to 180, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1.
180 knots, 19.1, JetBlue 935. Tower, JetBlue 935, slowing to 180 knots, slowing to final now. We're just about 2 miles outside Zoo Lab. We're the medical emergency return aircraft.
JetBlue 935, roger that. There's a heavy Airbus 330 to 12 o'clock sitting at 1,000 feet. You have in sight?
In sight, runways in sight, traffic's in sight, JetBlue 935.
JetBlue 935, thank you. Maintain visual separation with traffic caution, way turbulence, wind 2506, runway 31 right to the land. Medical emergency has been advised.
Thank you. Cleared to land on runway 31 right, JetBlue 935.
Triple 935, left Whiskey, Hawaiian waits for you, left Alpha to the ramp, and you can mount a ground point out as well.
Left Whiskey, left Alpha. Thank you, JetBlue 935.